Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make Peruvian chicken with the most flavorful green sauce. Peruvian chicken is so incredibly tasty. The chicken thighs are flavorfully marinated and grilled to perfection, and the green sauce is fresh, creamy, slightly spicy, and I can't get enough of it. So let's get started. To begin, I have 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm going to place them into a mixing bowl. And for the marinade, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I've also added a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm going to use my hands to mix everything until it's well combined. I like to use chicken thighs opposed to chicken breast for this recipe because it comes out nice, juicy, and tender. And if you guys are new on here, I would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe to my channel. That would really help to support me. Now I'm going to cover it with some plastic wrap, and I'm going to let it marinate in the fridge for about 4 hours or overnight. While the chicken's marinating, let's get the green sauce going. Here I have 1 bunch of cilantro, and I'm going to give it a rough chop and place it into the food processor. I'm also going to add in 1 jalapeno. If you don't like it spicy, remove the seeds. If you like it really spicy, use 2 jalapenos with the seeds. I also like to give it a taste to see how spicy the jalapeno is because some are more spicier than others. I'm also going to add in 1 garlic clove and 2 tablespoons of grated Cotija cheese. And if you don't have Cotija cheese, you could definitely swap it for some grated Parmesan. I've tested the recipe using both of them, and either of them works just fine. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and lastly 2/3 cup of mayo. And this is going to make our sauce nice and creamy. You could also substitute for light mayo if you prefer. I'm also going to season it with a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend until the sauce is nice and smooth. Seriously, when you guys try this sauce, you are going to fall in love with it. It's so flavorful and delicious, and it's perfect to go over our chicken. And if you're a sauce person like I am, you're gonna need extra. And I'm just gonna give it a taste to see if our seasonings are on point. It's perfect, so I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it into a small bowl. Here I have my grill preheated over medium-high heat, and I'm gonna grill the chicken. You can also pan sear the chicken and bake it in the oven. But it's summer right now, and I usually like to grill at this time. Plus, it's easier for cleanup. No dirty pans or oil splashes. I used to dine at this Peruvian restaurant a lot with my family, and I remember loving the green sauce. And with this chicken, it's just so good. My hubby would always make fun of me because he knows I love my sauces, and he told me that he should call me Joanne Sauce Gonzalez. Well, that was my maiden name at the time. Now I'm Joanne Pimentel. Also, if you guys like this recipe, be sure to check out my lomo saltado recipe, which is another Peruvian recipe, which I know you guys will love. Okay, so I cooked the chicken about 6 minutes per side over medium-high heat, and it's completely cooked through, and we're ready to eat. This dish goes really well over some steamed rice, but I've also stuffed it into some pita bread with the sauce and some tomatoes, and oh, that came out so good. And here I got it nice and plated for you guys because isn't presentation everything? And I'm loving this green color. And be sure to check the description below for the full written recipe. And here we go with some of that extra sauce. I've made this a few times now for some family and friends, and I received many compliments. So I hope you guys enjoy this as well. Cheers! Delicious. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.